Let's get started with building your dream wedding website. With Dorik, you have 3 fantastic options to choose from. First up, the AI-powered option. Perfect for couples who are short on time or design skills but still want a beautiful website. Here's how it works. Log into your Dorik account, head to the Sites section and click Create New Site with AI. Give your website a name and write a prompt that describes your vision. For example, you might say, create a romantic wedding website for Emily and Michael's garden wedding in New York City, with blush pink and sage green accents. Select your language, and within minutes, Dorik AI will deliver a fully functional wedding website that's elegant, mobile responsive, and perfectly tailored to your needs. Next, we have template-based creation. If you prefer a pre-designed structure with wedding-specific features, this option is for you. Simply navigate to the Sites section on your Dorik dashboard, click Create New Site, and search for a wedding template. Browse the options, preview live versions, and when you find the one you love, start customizing. You can personalize the template to reflect your unique love story, from the color scheme to the event details. It's a quick and easy way to get a professional wedding website with just a few clicks. Now, for those of you who want complete creative control, Dorik also offers the option to build your website from scratch. This is ideal if you're looking to create something truly one of a kind. Using Dorik's drag and drop editor, you can craft every detail to your exact specifications. Add sections for your love story, event details, RSVP, and registry. Customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your wedding theme and vision. Whether you're a design enthusiast or just want something truly unique, this option lets you create a site that's entirely your own. No matter which method you choose, we highly recommend spending just 5 minutes learning the builder basics. It'll save you hours in the long run and make the customization process even smoother. Now, let's talk about your wedding story and highlighting it on your website. This is where your guests get to feel a real connection to your big day. Start by introducing yourselves, how you met, your first date, and of course, the proposal. Keep it light and fun, with just a couple of paragraphs to capture the heart of your relationship. Then, showcase your journey with a curated photo gallery. Dorik's image tools allow you to create a stunning visual timeline, from candid snapshots to milestone moments. Your guests will love seeing these beautiful memories in one place. Don't forget to introduce the special people who will be standing by your side on your big day. Of course, your website will also need essential wedding details. Include information like the date, time, and venue for each event. Make it easy for your guests by embedding Google Maps, providing parking info, and sharing shuttle services if needed. Lastly, a wedding website wouldn't be complete without an RSVP system. Dorik makes it easy to collect RSVPs online, track attendance, meal preferences, and even gather additional details like dietary restrictions or song requests. With Dorik, you have all the tools to create a wedding website that's not only beautiful, but also functional and easy to manage. Start building today and enjoy the journey of bringing your wedding vision to life.